Botswana's president just told ZANU-PF what ministers want to say to their bosses. But remember, Botswana is one main mineral, yet their economy is stable. What is their secret? Their leaders don't ask for more time in office to deliver results. They deliver within the term they have. Don't promise 2030, deliver now or the people get angry. Botswana president tells ZANU-PF in a polite way. Subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Commission Ramerachi is speaking live in Harare at the 5th Bi-National Commission. He said, devolution in an episode of cohesive political transformation, comprised in time and concentrated in target. Then came the warning. The revolution is not something pleasant. It's not a walk in the park. It's not a charming tea party. It involves blood and sweat. It involves greater determination. We are not going to keep promising our people jobs, transformed lives, and livelihoods for an inordinate amount of time and keep postponed. They will get angry. They will get enraged. So we must deliver within some temporal horizon. If anybody says something will take 2 years, let us commit ourselves to doing it in 2 days or less. We must cut the timelines considerably, and that's what we came here to commit ourselves to. This speech has flooded social media across Zimbabwe. People are saying the government must focus on solutions, not spend hundreds of millions of dollars promising bill number 3. In Botswana, they don't give bill number 3. They use their money to pay civil servants and buy medicines for hospitals. It's a high time politicians spend their energy delivering results instead of extending terms of office. Vice President Chiwenga has also been talking about delivering results other than focusing on bill number 3. He has been vocal in pressing the government to use national resources to benefit the people, not on Cap 3. Toma developments are kuda pangwa ino comment section menu za fungura any more to deep on ichi. Subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.